Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make kawaii pudding using Fimo polymer clay. So let's get started. To begin, take the pink color and mold it into a ball shape. Put the ball onto your working surface and press it down to make it into a dome. After molding the dome into a pudding shape, I use my needle tool to make indents onto the pudding surface. Next we are going to make double cream. Take the white color and mold it into a ball shape. I mold the white ball into a cone shape, press it, and when it sticks to my working surface, I make a swirl by lightly spinning the top of the cone. At this point we are going to attach the double cream to the pudding base. To make the face, indent a U shape into the pink clay for the mouth. Then roll two balls of black clay for the eyes, and then two smaller balls of white clay for the glint in the eyes. For the cheeks, I use two small balls of pink clay and secure them on. You can bake the finished figurine in your oven according to your package's instructions. After the baking, I added 3 layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. This is how my finished kawaii pudding looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!